God no, cause the snacks them and the things them when I some things them when I directly want. You understand?
Yeah.
Them actually are good for me. You see me, so I really appreciate a lot. So blessing to my heart, you know?
Yeah.
Give thanks a lot. What I love you.
Yeah, man, so what if
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Whoa, where the whoa there? Whoa.
What I like that. What I like that. On them out like newspaper. I'm chino. Can't press the man like remote in it.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Like that.
Oh.
Yeah, step up in like them. Like that. Burn them out like newspaper. Burn a fire for the hater. And then I'm going to
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a
Whoa, chef.
Yeah, man.
We are donation for you, you know.
Yes, sir.
We are donation for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, chef. They're from Errol Nicholson,
Yeah, man.
aka Black Steel.
Black Steel.
Yeah. And Stephanie from the UK. $4,000.
4,000.
Yeah, for the good cooking you've been doing.
Yeah, man. Check. When even know my gas done last night, I buy it. Right, that's it, gone. Right, that's it. Food up, right, that's it. I do it for myself, yeah.
It says Errol Nicholson
Errol Nicholson.
and Black Steel.
Black Steel.
Yeah, no, AKA, no, Errol Nicholson, AKA Black Steel.
AKA Black Steel.
And Stephanie.
Respect, yeah, Stephanie. Errol. Yeah, man. You know the gas are done right now, you know.
Yeah.
Okra soup for boil.
Yeah.
You know when the okra soup for boil, so you go, you know. Really, see.
Yeah, for me, we are planning to do the soup.
Okra soup, top man 10 cup.
Yeah.
Soup for boil, you know. Tomorrow, Saturday, Friday.
Yeah.
Top man, Saturday, Friday.
Anyone of the day them. So you want to get the okra.
Get the okra them
You
tomorrow.
want to say baby in a cup.
Top man, senior, young student, you might be drink 10.
Yeah. 10 cup.
Baby in a cup.
Hey, say baby, okra soup for them, baby.
Yeah, man. See.
Yeah, straight.
Watch out,
Straighten them back.
Left me a drink.
Let me a drink.
Yeah, man.
Big up Marlene Jenkins.
Triplet. Sorry, people. John, I'm going to be a map. I have a flex about it.
One team. Prince Buster.
Bright look, man.
Alright, then I'll take a bright look. It's well bright. See it there. One team. Real team.
Yeah, man, look alright like dog Nash, you know?
Yeah. As I said, we have a drink from Steve
Yeah.
from Manchester.
Steve from Manchester, England.
Manchester United.
We wish
City.
No, from New York.
New York. Set up New York. I place, what is it? Set it.
Whoa.
No. 6 what?
Whoa.
Oh, New York, big up all I do with them from New York.
Twice.
Man, everyone and everybody board.
Yeah. I said New York twice. Yeah. New York City twice.
Twice.
Them say the name them nothing, so them can't hardly call them out. All I do on them.
Too much.
Marlene Jenkins, isn't it?
Boxer, go and stay, sir. Championship and the whole 100, you know?
Charman Sandy.
Family and everybody on the board, man.
Team them. Too much.
Charman Sandy.
Big up. I know I have
We don't have a big boat still, but you know.
Nah, Val Brown.
Genius,
Nah, man.
Holy man.
West End.
One team.
The church people them. The church people them. Yeah, church people.
Roosevelt. Big up on yourself. So we are starting them off with one team. Real team. See there? Smell the ital pot. Rasta man in the kitchen.
After I smell it, we
Well, we smell well.
be a high child.
It's a ital.
Everything I try to use, you know.
Yes, man.
So this is one now.
A rice and peas up I put on, but a gungo this, you know.
Boom, rice and peas.
Nice and
Boy, yeah, nice and peas.
Nice and peas.
Yeah, man.
So wait, so what is that? This one? It's a hot plate.
Yeah, it's a hot plate. We just cook up something, you know.
Yeah,
Make up
nice and peace.
pan a paint pan.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah,
Ice up something, you see?
See that good life?
Yeah, man.
Creative.
Yeah.
Nice
Nice and
Let them see it again once more to show that one there.
Nice and peace.
Let them see it again. Nice and peas, coconut, everything. See the holy
Yeah,
battalion.
man, and something like that.
Man creator. Our player will be Great option. Hey, Raga. That's what the man create. Oh, this is what the roots.
Yeah, I agree with Raga this, you know. See that? See that? See that?
Roots family.
Yeah.
See that?
Raga
Raga
roots. Yeah.
Raga, we don't want them. Okay. Tough stuff. Tough stuff. Love how you see look with the okra, calabash, and they have a canal. This is when you cut up your dinner. This is how you brown rice ready.
Some high beans, he does a chore this, you know.
High bench.
Yeah, right there, cabbage.
Beans on the side also.
This now, a garden egg.
Garden egg.
Yeah, this is garden egg. This is string bean. Cut up some, what you call it, yonkin. Yeah, and the seasoning down the bottom now, so now just stir up everything and cook it.
Real cooking them, man. Trenchstone hero. I think food is and fly like Superman.
How you feel?
Go to the world. This is Tremaine, the Trenchstone hero.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah.
I didn't see the little boy in the gully when he was washing away. The video went viral. Trenchstone hero.
Yeah, man.
The public never knows I'm a cause of this as well. You see my hero. And this is man.
Yeah, man, I get honor, you know. Yeah. Governor General honor them, man. Yeah, man, I'm saying things. Greatest in our blood, you understand?
That's the good word.
Yeah, man.
Love what go on in the kitchen already.
General.
It's a pain for the man who's a creator.
General.
That's bad.
I got it.
Bad.
Yeah.
Rasta keep it smelling good.
Yeah, man, I put up some food. Man,
Try the roots.
nice and peace.
Good for you. Good for you. Raga roots, man. Raga roots.
Yeah, life, you know, wake up the Black Nation, you know, we're there, you know, I night together, you know, Ragga Roots, you know, you don't know. Them things you lick with Corona, you see?
Yeah.
You know, you have to know, say Corona just for another flow, drink some bush and it down.
Yeah.
So we boil the bush, you know?
Yeah.
Roots, Ragga Roots. Build you clean, you make the pit, you know? Virgil, you know?
Yeah.
Because some man, you know, I listen last year, you know? Second and next month, you know, I listen last year, coronation. I want to do something in the community, put up that big. So we have to know our history, know ourselves, know where we're from, know where we stand, know where we want to go, you see? So the gunman them up on our ears, just put them on the gun. I have to guide them. Put on the gun them, make we have some fun. Good life, great life. Nothing no good than good life. So just know good life, put on the gun them, stop shooting on one another. Because the whole of our friends, the whole of our family, the whole of our family, the whole of our mate, the whole of our stepbrother, stepsister, all of these things.
Yeah,
One love. I know a good life in a trench town at all time.
Sure.
Bob Marley said we not win Rasta way, we have to fight again. So we want more Rasta life, so we have some Rasta liberty, you see? Ice Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, Paul Pope, Nanny Taki, Martin Luther King, Kunte Kente, Kojo Shaka Zulu. Well, I see there are some very important message of these things, you see? Tell about Africa. So we have to think about Africa as we go along. You see? So we have to know our history. So one love, good life. You know?
Good life.
There you
Yeah.
see that.
Ragga Roots. Ragga Roots. Everything go. Blessed, my general.
I'm last year you go and rain over all things, man.
Lion and Judah conquer the whole earth.
Ragga Roots. Get there.
Just life eat your own water and look like nothing like sugar. Just looks like yeah, good life. Ragga Roots and a team, you know, there and heights of the Queen Coast in England, you know, Ragga Roots establishment, you know. We don't know within life, a life journey, so we there to heal and build the nation we want to see, you know.
Right.
Yeah, give thanks.
Ragga Roots. The man himself. Ragga.
Next one.
Real Ragga.
Yeah. Ragga Roots.
Yes, sir. And a Ragga muffin and Ragga Roots.
What, bro, guy?
There, man.
Doing good.
Yeah, man. Thing up and running.
Hold on, man. Last time what I want vibes, you know, light up, gone star, so.
Yeah, that me I realize. The rain.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, hold it, you see me?
What chance am I to blow them say?
Yeah, I'm saying transfer, man. No, by chance I go start, them say the way them, waiting, man. The thing want to show up back.
Oh, the breaker.
Yeah, the breaker, so I drop, man. So them wants to come start you out, you know?
Whole heap of rain, you see piece of rain out of Jamaica flood out, man.
Tell them, man.
Oh, I know the
Back to
rain.
back, I get rain. The day I get rain. Like a some storm I pass or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Most that, we can't get too much rain, so.
Alright, let me say. The guy that contact me as well took him say I'm gonna try to get the wheel.
Oh. The
Send out
wheelchair.
there, yeah.
Yeah, man,
So
that's
say
right,
must
man.
want the model number. So you
Yeah.
can know which time, so don't know where to take the model number so you can have it and get it sorted out for you.
True, true.
Everybody want to see you up and running now, you know.
Yeah, man, come on, go right, my youth. We have one in about. You have to get back that one, yeah. That one we have a long time that mash up and stuff. So this now, that do a good start. You see my brother?
Yeah, got the people
I
them
love it, like bad man.
Got the people them them time for every time I come and video ginger there in the bed.
That's true.
They want to see you all the
That's true
time.
for
You see
real,
me?
man. That's true, that's true.
They
Right
want
this
to
time.
see you. They want to see you roll around with you know like how you have the
Yeah.
motor wheel. You see me? We
Yeah,
are
man.
move around
I
and
have
drive.
something we can move and you have to say, oh, shoot me go, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's all good for me, you know. Can move around by myself and stuff.
Yeah, man, because that's what I need it, you know.
Definitely, bro, like for real, man.
Because you know what you them see you out there, but body glad. And them say, yes, finally, we catch him out. We want to see him out more often.
Man, right, bro, man.
You see me? They don't want to see you get too comfortable in the bed.
Yeah, true.
You see me? Because you know them things that they
Yeah, man, the market is active, you know?
Yeah.
I know that, man. A good thing for me to say.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
even if them say they want to see you sit up sometime and then they could think that
So,
kind
I wait there. She come right there, so I pass it the broker.
Oh, you get the recliner?
Yes, man, I can sit up now, man. So you can hold me up now, I'm ready, you see it?
Okay.
Yes, man, I get it, man. So it's up and running, man, I'm ready now, set it up.
Yeah.
And I can start sit up in my bed.
Okay. See
See me?
there? Yeah. See there now?
Good.
See there?
See me?
Okay. I saw it stay.
So it stays, I mean, put this back on me. And you keep me sit up now, you see me?
Alright,
So now I go see my regular lady when you come to me.
Yeah.
But always have to keep me sit up.
Alright.
Good thing, you see me?
Yeah, because
Love
them
it,
man say
man.
them always want to see at least sit up. You not try it out yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it already, man.
You should have tried it out, make them see you now,
I'm
man.
gonna try it out now.
Yeah, man, with the public, so I
Alright.
want.
Yeah, go lower with it.
I want to catch you in the recliner. So the man sit up now. And everything up and running.
Yeah, up and running, bro. Alright.
So that when I touch down from the state, more
Yeah,
come
man, from when I stay this touchdown from man, I see it. You don't know the thing, I mean, really want this.
Yeah.
So you can keep it up, you understand? Yeah, so really glad feet and really love it right now.
Yeah.
You can keep sit up, you can eat my food better instead.
Yeah, man, because the people them say them always see you. I lie down, so they want to see you up now, you know?
Definitely, for real.
Sorry, the light gone, we never have your fun
Yeah,
upon
man,
you,
feel
but
hot, man, feel
we
hot.
have to bring you outside to get some breeze now and
Yeah,
take
that never do now, so.
the best thing that right now, because the place hot. So I'm glad people them can see you sit up now.
Yes, man.
And all the time them go see you lie down. You see me? So people see there, it up and running. So we have some grocery for you.
Okay.
Yeah, we're moving up on the road from C from Bronx.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on, man.
Her name is Lady C from Bronx, New York.
Okay.
Get us some grocery there now.
Lady C from Bronx.
Yeah.
Lady C from Bronx. Hold up our love and respect. I really appreciate this gift from you. So, I hold up our love. Hold up our gratitude. I give thanks with a lot because we kind of run into some roast and stuff. So, this now can help me a lot, you know.
Yeah.
So, I really appreciate it. God know, cause the snacks them and the things them when I some things them when I directly want, you understand?
Yeah.
Them actually are good for me. You see me, so I really appreciate that a lot. So blessing to my heart, you know?
Yeah.
Give thanks a lot. Only for love.
Yeah, man. So only for respect. C from Bronx. I understand for ginger and grocery. So people so see that now. Ginger now lie down, you know, you must sit up. My recliner now, everything up.
Definitely, I really like, you know?
Yeah. The man a sweat cause the place hot.
That man.
Like gone now for 2 days. Also, the rain leak
Plus,
out
now what it
everything.
said, we see it.
Yeah. Trust.
I love them come fix the lights so we can get some fun and something.
So if we bring you outside now the day, then we get some breeze then.
Put on some clothes and forward out and things.
Yeah. The people.
And get some breeze.
Yeah, man.
So we can forward to your key now, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we can forward out and things. You see me?
Yeah, man. Try that.
Yeah, voilà.
Outside cool now.
Really respect it. Really respect the gift, you know?
Yeah.
I really appreciate it to the person that sent it, you see me?
Yeah, see from
To all I do as them again. All I love to the whole of them because I put them every day, I say, you know? Yeah, you key to your say to the help of God.
Yeah,
So yeah, man, all of blessings to everybody.
Yeah, man.
Stuff, you see me?
Cause if when sat them up on the radio as well too, you know. Yeah, man. If on the radio sat them on online over Canada there. Yeah, man. So the thing, people them a talk about the thing. You see me? So a lot of people call in and yeah, man. Yeah. So the radio name Love Beer. Yeah, man. Love Beer station over Canada there, you know.
Okay.
And you have Shanty Blue. And then there's Radio O's. You have what's your name? Diva E.
Oh.
You understand? And them tell you say them are welcome the Dream Team as well when them there. Because them are going to speak to you, see you when you to Jinjin.
Okay, cool, man. Anytime. Anytime
yeah,
you're ready.
yeah, man, because them love where I go on, man, and everything, man, and so where I come from. You see me? And she say, yo, she just love Jinjin smile as well too, you see me? So a lot of people call, you know, with up on the radio. You see me? So them love where I go on that trench
I'm glad
stuff.
to hear with you because you know the program I push more further, you know?
Yeah.
So you depend on them program, they're good for you too, you see my brother?
Yeah, man.
So you come and highlight the community and do good for the communities that. So that's really great, you know?
Yeah,
I know people now do this way you do, you know?
Yeah, true.
And you was a young youth, I know people are bigger in a better position to do this virgin.
Yeah, man.
And you come and you do it and you see the help and you see the need of the people, then you do the things that you have to do. Hold it for respect and love.
Team.
Yeah, it man. So that's why I continue and don't give up, brother. You see me? And you're a blessing. You're a blessing and come for your kingdom, just no worry. The people them so hard there, you see me?
Yeah.
You get a big blessing, my friend. From Father God. All my blessing I'll get you. Because the way I do right now, you worry about good things with people who in need, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I saw it set, my friend.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to the donor them, man.
Everyone, every donors, everybody.
Yeah.
The person that send this and to everybody is just blessing.
Yeah. As I mentioned, the Love Beer radio station, them definitely on board. And them are continue sending support as well too.
Yeah.
And them say them are make sure them send a food barrel as well for the Dream Team as well too.
Okay.
So them are continue sending support and them they up on board. So them are keep promote the thing.
Okay.
And a lot of people call in, you understand? And so them love how I go and them love how you're positive as well too.
Yeah, man.
From the early stage. You think them say them like
I give up in a brother. I'm strong in myself, say me have faith though.
Yeah.
Still have life for the greatest thing.
True.
And because I have my legs, them, I understand? Yeah, man, I still have to have faith and be strong, man, and don't worry or fret and raise up, you see? Yeah, so I just that's still, bro.
Yeah, man. And the people them stop talking about the group, you know, the Dream Team. And them are pray for stay together.
Yes,
and like the band. You understand? Yeah, man. Because them say they've never seen a group of lads like this. Where the love for them are show. And what we are doing now, do it for no budget. Now than what they do and them sell come give it. I feel love, you see me and say. Yeah, man, they don't see them things.
Right there, chest also. Right beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful.
True, man. Taffy, that's say, yo, beautiful.
Yes, I'm gone, you know.
Yeah.
All our shut down.
Yeah, man. From the heart.
Yeah.
So big up Love Beer.
Every time, man.
Stay on here, Love Beer station from Canada.
The whole of them blessings.
Yeah.
You have to see some see program and love it and you know.
Yeah.
The contact, so we love that, you see it.
I don't know, maybe our next.
Far away, you know?
Yeah, our next radio interview as well to in England.
Okay.
This Saturday morning. Because I say we're live on the air again.
Yeah.
So the thing keep on spread, you understand? So people them want to see it more and more. So we'll continue the journey for the people them want to watch on. And them love what I want because we are inspired a lot.
I want to say,
You
brother,
understand?
man.
A lot of
Kids, look at young
some young kids.
Well, I was saying, that's a dream team.
Yeah.
One team.
You
You
know,
know
I don't
what I
know
feel?
if you get here right now, kids.
Yeah,
It's a
man,
change.
so much.
I tell you that, brother.
You see?
You see me? So we have to pray for the health and strength, mostly, you know?
Yeah, man.
Because that's what
So I
needed.
just have a strength, I know. And just keep strong, said we, because if you want to dead in, brother, you know the thing, you know.
Yeah,
You want to push it, you're Marvin, and the whole way, you see me?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we have to know, say, uno alright, uno safe and everything. So they can push out the rest of people, them, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Because uno go there, uno go out in the streets for we, you see it?
Yeah, for
And
real.
people them a help uno, we have we, tell it to uno, so. The situation is that uno good to, you see, brother?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And make sure so you're doing them good
When you
too.
go up on the road, just keep safe.
All the time.
Everything, you see it?
Yeah.
And the door of them for
You don't want to
safe
safe.
Every one of them, every door just keep safe. Because I don't know the corona thing, brother. You don't know that one wicked out and now start to spread, so.
Yeah,
All our way up, just be careful and just know what I do. We don't go up on the road, we just put up a cell phone, you know where?
yeah. Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, every time, no matter what. Don't care which part you are, but don't care part right there, so. Just try to protect yourself, you see me?
Yeah,
You want to
man.
do one as them too. I know them have to go there for send this money.
Send this.
You understand, brother? So I want them to protect themselves and just be safe. And we love them. Because I
Safe
see
our
me?
heart.
Of
Safe
course.
our heart.
Safe our
Yeah,
beautiful
man.
love.
That didn't make all of this possible, you know, you see, because we come from one.
And without them,
You see me?
Alright.
safe.
Yeah, man.
So we have to
So-
just thank them same way.
Same, yeah.
But that's why the doors them know say yo, whole heap of love for the dream team. And whole heap of love for our phone. So what I do for you right now, actually you know, really appreciate it a lot. So
Yeah.
blessings to everyone, donors, the watchers, the subscribers, everybody. You see me?
Yeah.
Just bless it for yourself and just take care of yourself and be safe. Alright?
Alright then, so give
One
thanks.
love, yeah.
One team.
Yes.
Always.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.